荣获 CNN Go 亚洲28家最舒适的 SPA 之一，同时呢也入榜 Asia Spa Magazine 前7名的 SPA 之一。
它也是旅客们轻松享受的好地方，也是Tagaytay的骄傲哎。
Chinoy Barkada, pampering ourselves is a definite must. Kaya naman hinanap talaga natin ang perfect, relaxing getaway here in Tagaytay.
Be nurtured by nature. Join us here today as we visit Nurture Spa Village, Tagaytay.
Welcome to Nurture Spa.
Please take a seat.
This one is the fresh salad one.
Chinoy Barkada, aside from all the awards Jason and I said, this certified Tagaytay tourist destination has also been nominated as Holistic Treatment of the Year, Spa Retreat of the Year, and Destination of the Year by the prestigious Asia Spa Awards 2010, which is one of the main reasons why we came here dahil alam namin, us Chinoys, we really love pampering ourselves.
Nurture Spa is one of the pioneers in the spa industry in the Philippines. We were founded almost 10 years ago. And what makes us different, we're actually an ecotherapy spa. Means healing by and through nature. We are actually a spa resort, and we're happy to say that we were named as one of the 28 most relaxing spas in Asia by CNN, and one of the 7 best spas in the Philippines by Asia Spa Magazine from Hong Kong. We offer wellness services, we offer pampering services, we have food, we've got accommodations, and spa treatments, of course. I think also what makes us different is the fact that we have wellness programs, weight management programs, stress management programs. We're going to do natural anti-aging for those who don't want to go through invasive treatments, and we're actually happy to say we have been able to help those with intensive healing problems like cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure. We've been able to help normalize their situation. We've got function rooms, we've got the restaurant, we have what we call the forest view rooms, which overlooks the back of the property. We've got garden view rooms, which overlooks something like this. But what makes it interesting is we have what we call heritage huts or ulogs, and these are authentic huts na dinala namin from Banawe. What we're all about is we are actually using nature to heal you. We're using nature to bring back the romance. Kasi tatlo yung aming parang promises. We offer pampering, we offer romance, we offer wellness. So for all of this, we introduce nature to make all of these things happen.
How was your foot massage?
Definitely great. Siyempre, ang gagawa sa atin, kanina gumawa rin sa atin, si Miss Millet and Miss Nadia. We meet again. So, ano ba kailangan namin gawin right now? We need to change tayo.
So, for wraparound na lang po, matira lang po sa akin.
Okay. Sige ba?
So, sino muna?
Siyempre ako. Ladies first, di ba? Nawawala yung stress mo. Tapos parang sobrang nag-relax lahat ng muscles mo sa extremities. It's super relaxing. You should come. relaxing massage. We're now here at Salo Pavilion with the owner of Nurture Spa, Miss Cathy Turville. Hi, Miss Cathy!
Hi! Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you
Yeah,
again.
alam mo, super sarap ng body massage na in-experience
Oh, that's great. Good.
And thank you so much for accommodating Shinoy TV today.
It's our pleasure. We're so happy that you're here.
Now, Miss Cathy, a while ago you said about aside from spa, you also have food in here.
Oh, absolutely.
So
Really good food.
Could you tell us more about the dining experience your clients have in here?
Well, as you can see, Nurture's very Filipino.
Yes.
But what we wanted to do was Filipino with a twist. So it's not, you can see we did do a nipahat, we did ulogs. Instead, and for the food, what we wanted to do was to introduce Filipino na parang hot cuisine ba? Yung parang medyo social ng konti. So we have our kare-kare, which is actually presented in a different way. And very important sa amin, we're also trying to make the food healthy there.
Speaking of healthy, I heard most of your foods here are organic.
Oh yeah, they come from our garden.
Wow.
So we have lettuce from our garden, we have our bell pepper, we now have celery.
So definitely this is your Nurture Spa, not only wellness, it's holistic wellness.
Oh yeah. What we really aim to do is balance in body, mind, and spirit.
Now,
Right.
I think we have
We can't
come to the
wait
point
for
na
more.
our
Oh, yeah.
favorite party, Jason. We're going to eat na.
Di lang ako, ikaw rin.
Good. We'll be happy to share with you some signature dishes.
Yay!
Yeah. We'd like to invite you to Nurture Spa Village here in Tagaytay. And it has been named as one of the 28 most relaxing spas in Asia. So if you're looking for pampering, if you're looking for romance, if you're looking for wellness, Nurture is the place to be. So contact us at www.nurture.com.ph or 584-4228 or just email us at info@nurture.com.ph. Just give us a call and we'll be very happy to welcome you home to Nurture Spa Village.
Alam mo, Jason, kung maliligaw rin lang naman ako, dito na sa Nurture Spa.
Ay, sana ako rin, di ba?
Alam mo yung spa na, may food. Alam mo, favorite ko yung pinakbet roll. Sobrang sarap talaga, babalikan ko yun.
Ako yung kare-kare.
Yes.
Sarap talaga. Ibang klase yung mga food nila eh.
Oo.
观众朋友们，难怪 Nurture Spa Village 被称为人间的天堂。
是的，以他们的装饰设备呢，以及顶级的按摩医疗方式。
我们可以作证，这里真的是享受度假最好的地方。
Alam mo, tama ka dyan. I totally agree. So, if you guys are going to Tagaytay or you're in the vicinity, definitely, pumunta kayo dito. Don't change that channel. Keep it here only on
Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。Grabe, hands down, wala talaga akong masabi. 今天的节目太精彩了。
Alam mo, kung wala kang masabi, ako meron.
Ano?
Wow!
Wow.
Diba? Ganda sobra!
Tama ka dyan. Wow sa adventure, wow sa inspiration, wow sa learning, at wow sa food.
Yes, and speaking of learning, if you want to review the words na inadal natin for our Chinoy Speak, it's already up for grabs in our Facebook page, so i-download nyo na. And also, follow us on Twitter.
Yes, but before we end, we want to acknowledge those people who made our episode possible. First up, thank you to Miss Leslie and Miss Cathy of Nurture Spa.
Yes.
Thank you also to Miss Evie Racrion of Paradiso and Mr. Vicky Lee.
And also for our venue for this episode and for Chinoy Speak, Canyon Cove. Thank you so much to the President, Mr. George Go, and Marketing Manager, Miss Tani Lim Gecko. To Miss Heidi Law and Miss Christy Few of Charity, thank you so much. I would like to personally thank Ate Dovi for my hair and makeup for this episode, and clothes for the goddess for my outfit today. Thank you so much.
And of course, to Dr. Christina Ngo of Dental Pal. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ako, paano na yan? 1 hour is up na naman.
Bilis na.
Sobra. For everyone who consider Chinoy TV as your every Sunday morning pleasure,
Catch us here again next week, only here on
Chinoy TV 飞华电视台. Bye-bye!